Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will learn about how to configure user based policy in FortiGate Firewall. So how to block the malicious website, how to block the website on internet in FortiGate firewalls. So let's go. So there are multiple options in FortiGate firewalls. Either you can use the URL filtering, or you can use the application control filtering. So there are different meanings. Web filtering block the specific website, and DNS filtering block the domain of the all the domain that it contain websites. So application control filtering block the specific applications. So how to use this user based policy? So how to go here in for security policies. So here you will go in a web filter. So here you can use the default setting as well, default profiles. So here is default profile, like here in hacking illegal website you can access the illegal website, but it will be on monitor in default policy. So it will not be blocked, it will be allow. If you want to use this other settings, like if you want to use the terrorism concept content, like related to terrorism or sexual abuse, so this content will be blocked on default policy. But there are some other contents that are open in default policies, like drugs related content, hacking related, illegal hacking related content. So it will be monitored but not be blocked. So so we will create our own user based policy. So you can create your own as well, so you can block your sites that you need. So like I am creating here the policy that social media, block social media, block social media. So there are some other apps like in social media, like Facebook, Instagram, and some other apps like YouTube. You want to block the YouTube, so you can block it through this web filtering and URL filtering via user based policy. So here is the name of user based policy. So here there are different options as well. Block invalid URLs, like the URLs that are not valid, like malicious ones. So you can block it from here. Enable this option, so it will automatically take care of it. But here if you want to use the user based policy, so you have to add the URL here. So just create new, and if you want to use the URL, like simple means, type means, simple means it will exactly match the URL. If I want to block that www.facebook.com. So simple means it will block only this www.facebook.com. it will block that. If here action, it means block, you will select the action. Action means block, allow, monitor, or exempt means doesn't care. And here the status means enable. And here the type, we will talk about the type. Type means, the simple means it will match all this, exact match the website. Regular expression or wildcard means it will like any website that contain any link, any URL that contain this facebook.com, it will block that URL as well. Like if I am typing here that block the website contain FAC, if any website will contain FAC, it will block that. If I will select this simple option, so simple means FACE, okay. Simple means it will match, like if you are searching face, so it will block it. So in regular expression, if any URL or any website or any URL category that contain FEC word, it will block that word. So that's why we use here the regular expression or simple expression. So if you want to block only that specific website, so you can use the simple option as well. Like I want to block the YouTube and okay, and you can add this enable and block that, and okay. So I add that my Facebook would be dropped. If you want to block like YouTube, so you can add the YouTube here. Oh sorry, add it and block and enable this. And here I am adding my URLs. If you want to block the specific URL, so you can add that URL here and it will block that website or URL. If you want to also regular expression, select the regular expression and wildcard, so it will also block the content in this website as well, like the website, other website that is legitimate website that contain that specific words, so it will block that website as well. So this is how we can use the regular and wildcard. So normally we use simple type as well. So here, so this is our user base policy. So this is here I will keep adding my website that I want to block, and here we will click OK. So this is my user base policy that I have created. Okay, then okay, then you will go here your specific policy, like my firewall policy, there is no any policy, so let's create a policy. Like my policy means LAN to internet, LAN to internet. Here my incoming interface is LAN, outgoing interface is like WAN interface, source is my LAN IP. So you can select the specific like all or other, you can create your LAN address as well. Like here I will select my 192.168.10.0/24 is my LAN. Okay, interface any, and here you will select this my LAN. Here you can select this option, or either you can select the all, anything come from source. And then your destination your will be all, because you don't know where to go. And here your services, what services you are using, either you are using HTTPS, FTP or any other services like DHCP, DNS. Obviously we use DNS as well, so select all and then enable NAT, and this is the policy. So here you can select that policy. Antivirus, in antivirus you can add the default policy, or also you can create your policy from here. That is the same that we create previously. So here is web filtering. If you open web filtering, so you can select by default it is default policy, but we have already created that policy, so we will select our that policy and then click OK and yes. So we will add this policy on our firewall. So when we go our data from LAN to internet, it will block the Facebook and YouTube, because we add the web filtering and there we block the specific websites. So here we have blocked the, so here you can add more, like here you can add more, like I want to add block more websites, so you can add more here, and also you can edit it from here as well. So you first one time you call it in your policy, so just keep adding your where Instagram, so just keep adding, so it will automatically call in your policy. Like let me show you here. You edit it, so you can see here these three website here I didn't block it. Okay, then okay. So this is how you can add your website user base policy to block the specific website to go on internet. So this is how you can filter your data and filter your website in FortiGate Firewall in user based policy. So if you want to block the other applications, so you can also block the application. So first of you have to go in security policy, application control. Here there are block high risk applications. So if you open this are the default policy, like it will only monitor the business related things. It will block the P2P and proxy things, and it will keep monitoring the remote access, audio, video. Like if you want to block them, so you have to create the user based policy. So here you will create the block apps, okay, and then here you can block your things, like you do not want any business related things. If you see what business related things, so you can click here as well. Just go here in signature. So here you will block, see the signatures, what this option contains. So it's contain like this type of things. So let me show you here the video, audio, video. So if you go here in application signature, so here you will see the this type of things in video and audio. Like this website you used to see movies and other things, okay, it will block this type of things. So you can block here other things, and you can allow something that you want to, like you are working in IT company and you want to allow the cloud and IT related things. So you can allow, either you can say select this monitor and it will allow and monitor the things. And here you can add some other application as well, like application we want to block it, and you can filter and add the signature as well. So this is how you can add, and then you can just okay, and here you create your user based policy. In the same way you can call that security policy, application control policy in here. By default it's select the default, but you will block according to your, and then click OK. So it will now block my like business related things, because I block here block apps. Now you can see here I block here, so all the business related thing will be blocked, all be collaboration related, P2P, proxy related. If you don't want to your to access the video, audio, so also you can block it here. So it will also block my audio and video related things, so I will not be able to see the this thing. So this is how you can use the security policies in your firewall policy in FortiGate Firewall. So how you can use user based policy in FortiGate Firewall. So this is a temporary overview. So hope you like the video. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, so you can ask me in comments. So you can reach me out via email. So I have given page description and page about section of my YouTube channel, and you can reach me. I will reply to everyone regarding any query. So hope you like the video. Thank you very much.